Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura A6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also deep cleaned the spouts that you see right here. They were slowly dripping and it was not flowing correct. The coffee was not flowing correctly. So we did a cleaning cycle, not only on the spouts, we also deep cleaned the spouts as well. We cleaned the machine inside, the brew unit. We replaced all the gaskets of it, descaled the machine, especially the water tank and some parts of the machine that were very scaly. We also had to remove the filter. This filter is right here. I would recommend to get it replaced. You can see the scale buildup around here and some parts of the water tank. So yeah, it was not doing its job, softening in the water anymore. So it'd be best to have it outside of the machine. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. Then we're gonna be running the hot water and then the steam. We do not have the hose that is connected over here. That is the one that siphons the milk and froths it into your cup. We do not have that, unfortunately, so we will not be able to test it. But we'll still be gonna be testing the froth itself. As you can see, the machine did a little bit of infusion, and then now it's on the extraction phase. I'm gonna put these to. Give me 2 ounces. There you go. Nice shot of espresso coming out from this beautiful machine. Working great. Water tank sensor, as you can see, definitely works. I'm gonna get some water to fill the water tank. There you go. Now let's use the hot water function of the machine. As you can see, steady stream coming out from the one. And now I'm gonna be using the steamer, the milk for the function of the machine. Like I said, we don't have the little hose, so we're just gonna see a bunch of steam coming out from the one, which is exactly what we want to see if you don't have the hose connected to the machine. There you go, bunch of steam coming out through there. Exactly what you want to see without the hose. Stop it manually. There you go. And now back into the main menu. So there you have it, Jura E6 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.